Hello and welcome to our three-part tutorial series about how to make this gingerbread ornament. In this series, you will learn how to make a gingerbread ornament shape, which is the part 1, and on part 2, you will learn how to make these cutouts, which are subjective and according to your choice. And in the end, we are going to turn this design into an ornament, and you can find this design for free in my Creative Fabrica store. So this design is also laser ready, so this is free available now, and you can find it in my Creative Fabrica store, and the link will be in the description. We will start building our gingerbread cookie. So for that, I'm on my Illustrator file, which is 12 into 12 inch artboard, and I'll bring up my guides from Illustrator, which are denoting the center. I start my design all from the center, and I will bring up my 4 into 4 inch box and 5 into 5 inch box, and with the help of Control and plus on the keyboard, I'll zoom in. So these boxes are there as a guide, so I know that my designs are right into 4 into 4 inch area, because I intend to use this design as a ornament. So for building our gingerbread man, first of all, I'll just choose ellipse, and I'll just hold shift and alt on my keyboard and click and drag, and this makes my head of the gingerbread man. I will make it a little smaller, and just right here, and I will just take my pencil tool. From the pencil tool area, I have a stroke of 1 point chosen. Now I'll start building the arms. I'll just look at my references, which I have done by just googling gingerbread cookies. You can see they have arms and they have legs, very simple design. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, with my pencil tool, I'm just going to just draw a line like this and this. So this is my arm, and I will simplify this line to decrease the anchor points. So I will go to Object, Path, Simplify, and this will simplify the lines. But before that, I think these are too long, so I will just delete this anchor point and make this one slightly inside to attach it to the body. And I will again I will select this path, Object, Path, Simplify, and this simplifies it, makes it a round shape with less number of anchor points, and I'm happy with that. So this is the arm part. Now I'll just the legs. So for that, I'll again go to my pencil tool, and I will start building from here and just sort of try to build a leg. Maybe try once more. So like from here, I can just make a leg like that. That's it. And I will select this path, Object, Path, Simplify, and this pretty much simplifies this shape for me. So originally I had 8 points, now I have 3, so I'm happy with the results. I will accept the results. Now what to do? Now I will do a close inspection, because I want to join these two lines. So for that, I'll just move this anchor point a little bit here, like near to 2 points. Select these two with my direct selection tool, go to pencil tool area, select join tool, click and hover, and these are joined. Moreover, I'll select them again, and now you see there's a round widget which appears, and I want to make it slightly rounded shape. So I'll just click and drag and make this angle round. So this is my gingerbread man almost complete. I will just squash it a little to make it a taller and longer cookie. Now what I'm going to do, I will check the alignment of this head. I will write align. I will choose align to artboard and align it to the center. And this shape, what I will do, I will simply right click, transform, reflect, and copy, and I'm vertically reflecting them. And this I will pull to other side and hold shift, so this keeps in one place, in the symmetrical place. And I'll hide my all guides to show you what is going on. Now I'll just simply, now these are two different parts and paths. I will just go to my direct selection tool, click rubber band, select these two anchor points, go to again join tool area and join these two parts. And here you go, our gingerbread man is ready almost. And for this joint I will just like to make it rounded, just because it will look nicer. And what I'm going to do now, I'll just select everything, check the alignment, go to align to artboard area, center align everything, change everything from stroke to fill like that. I will like to do some adjustments to the size of the head, so I'll just make the head bigger like that and bring it a little bit down like this. And now I will select everything, check the alignment again, and object, expand, unite. So this is now one shape.